it's time for my get ready for summer fix. So if you want to see what they sent me and how it looks on, then stay tuned. Hi and welcome to our channel. My name is Tracy and it's down there. You can kind of see him. And Chloe is just studying for finals, but if you're new, welcome. Thanks so much for checking us out. And if you're returning, thank you so much for being a part of our YouTube family. So this is my get ready for summer fix. That's kind of the theme I told them. I do get this quarterly. I do have a style pass, so they continue to offer that to me, which means I pay $49 for the year. I don't have to pay any other styling fees. And whatever I purchase, the first thing I purchase after that, they take that off, which I believe will be in this box. So they do get, you can get up to 8 items. You can get anywhere between 5 and 8. You let them know how many you want. They'll send you a preview with about 10-ish items. And if you don't pick 8, they'll pick the rest for you if you want 8. And if you pick 5, again, if you don't pick enough, they'll pick the rest for you. I do have a code down below to get you $25 off of your first fix. And let's get into mine. Okay, so it's a big box, but look at this, it's not full. Here is my first packet with things in it. So we see some greens, some coral. I did say no grays, no black. It's summertime, give me some color. We have some jewelry by Kivia. And ooh, that is so pretty. We have what looks to be some shoes. I did pick one pair of shoes out of my fix, so yes. I did say I wanted yellow sneakers. Of course, I also wanted a yellow jacket that was in my cart, but I don't see that. Bag to return anything I don't keep or need to exchange. My prices, let's see, I have Katie, so Katie's been my stylist for a while, and the entire box, I have 8 items in here, comes to $4.21, but if I buy everything, I will get $105.25 off, and I have my $50 style credit, which would bring the whole entire box down to $266.75. Not bad for 8 items. And then this feels like a bag from Market and Spruce. Ooh, I like this. I like that quite a bit. It's got some braiding here, braiding here. It has this, I don't know, this tag. It says Market and Spruce. Try to take that off. Inside, it's a little pattern. There's big pockets right here. A zipper pocket back there, a zipper pocket back here, and then this little guy right here. So that's not a bad size. Okay, I'm impressed with that. I'm impressed with the jewelry, and I like the sneakers, but I just picked it up. The first item is by Beacon Apparel, and I'm not a fan of that style, but maybe I'll like it better on. I do like that in the back, that little tie, but the kind of swing style doesn't always look as good on me. So that was not one of the items I picked out. This was, so it's a coral color, maybe showing up as more pumpkin-y, but it is a coral colored shirt. This is the back where you see this line. So the back has that. This is by Bobo. And then I believe I picked out this, and this is also by Bobo, and I really like the back there. This is by Gilly, and ooh, I do like that. I like the color. It's like a nice little mint with a little pocket. And then we have a pair of pants by Studio Blue. And so these are green. And they have these pockets here, these side entrance kind of pockets that are square there. Looks like a nice straight leg. Okay, I'm going to get trying stuff on. We'll go over some prices and have some final thoughts. So I'll be right back. I'm here with the very first outfit. So I put on that one shirt that I didn't know if I was going to like or not. It does fit well. I don't know, like I looked at it, that looks too tiny, but it does fit well. And I love the pants. I love these sneakers though. So these are by Dr. Scholl's. They're very comfortable. There's a white line here on the inside, just the stitching, but really comfortable. Let's get a look at this from the back. Alright, this does feel very nice on, like it's nice and loose. I like the polka dots. I'm just not sure how I like the swing style, and so I'll have to think on it. But let's go over some prices. The sneakers are the Dr. Scholl's offline sneakers. Those are $70. The Beacon halter top is $38, so not a bad price. The Studio Blue Dawn High Rise Patch Pocket in Olive, $69. And then we throw the bag with it, right? And the bag is the Market and Spruce Sammy Hobo bag in green, and that is $65. It's a nice big size, I would say that. Okay, on to the next outfit. Okay, so this was not in the box. Obviously, this is something I got at a previous fix, and so I'm going to try it on with the shirt and see, like, will it kind of be a nice dress shirt? And I think it will. I think it will definitely be a nice dress shirt. We'll definitely go with this blazer. I do have an event at work tomorrow, and I think like that would be a nice little look. So I don't know. This might be a winner. Okay, let's try some of the shirts. I am back with the green shirt. I mean, it's a little bit too much green, but it's just what they sent. So it's what I'm going to try on. It's very lightweight. I do like that. And this is the necklace. So when I showed you guys the necklaces, it looked like there were two that were just plain, but no. So obviously somebody had tried these on before, didn't put them back very nicely, so they were all tangled up. But I love these. Look at that. So nice. And then this one, which you didn't see, has this. So there was like one hidden, and then it looked like this was just showing like that, and another one with it. And obviously the back, some of these hadn't been tried on, some had. So nice fabric. I do like that. Let's look at some prices, although I know the entire box is $266, so that's just so great. It's a kind of a tempter. All right, well, the necklace by Kivia is the Viviana 5-piece necklace set, blue, $40. And And this is the Geely Rachel crew neck pocket tee in mint 39. Not a bad price at all. All right, let's try some of the tops. And here is one of the two t-shirts by Bobo, and I do like the color. I like the stripes. Let's take a look at that interesting back. And this is the Bobo Katie Twist back tee in, it says orange. I don't know that this would be orange to me. It looks like it's almost like a little bit of a burgundy. And it is, wow, $50 for this. I will say it's feeling a little itchy though, so this might go back because I don't think I can deal with the itchiness of this. Particularly like right in the back where that twist is, it's so super itchy. Okay, one more top to try out. And here is that last top, much more comfortable. I know the tags are in the back, but even when I tried to move the tags as best I could outside, it was still kind of itchy. The fabric itself is just kind of itchy. This is a much more comfortable feel. So we'll take a look at the back of this. And this is the Bobo Davy Strap Detail Knit in burnt orange. This is also $50. Wow, it's a little pricey. But again, if you take 25% off, plus factor in the fact that I also have the $50 off in total, not too bad. Now I do get the 25% off for if I choose 5 or more. So even if I send back 1 or 2, it's still going to be the 25% off. So that's kind of why I like getting the extra items, because I know if I don't like 100% of it, I'm still going to get that discount as long as I can find 5 things that I like, so I'm not having to buy that one thing that I really didn't. All right, so what are your thoughts? I definitely like the jewelry, and I definitely like this bag. Sneakers, amazing, super comfortable. Pants, super comfortable as well. I definitely like the mint green shirt and this shirt. The polka dot shirt I'm leaning towards only because I think it would be a nice kind of dressy shirt for when I have events at work. But that last striped one I'm definitely leaning against because it was kind of itchy. All right, well, tell me your thoughts down below. Let me know what your favorite item is, what you would pick from this fix. And please consider hitting that like, subscribe, and notification bell, and hopefully we'll see you soon.